Now straight away we will get into the class. Every concept please make a note of it. Concept 1. Why the sum of two sides should be greater than third side in a triangle? Suppose if I take a triangle, first I will take an introduction. What do you mean by a triangle? Tri is nothing but a three angle is nothing but three angles. If there are three angles in a closed figure, then it is called as a triangle. For you to get three angles, definitely there has to be three sides. Three sides will give you three angles. That means if I take this one, if I take this one, if I take this one, this is a three-sided closed figure. This is a three-sided closed figure. If you observe this closed figure, there are three vertices, A, B and C. A, B and C. For the three sides to form a triangle, generally in textbooks it is written that sum of two sides is greater than third side. Why sum of two sides should be greater than third side? Let us discuss the proof. Right? That means opposite to capital A is a small a, opposite to capital B is a small b, opposite to capital C is a small c. Why sum of two sides should be greater than third side? Listen carefully. You need to understand the application. Suppose if I take ABC, there is a side value AC. Find out the value of AC. Extend draw a line from A to D. Draw a line from A to D such that AD equivalent to AC. Draw a line from A such that AC is equivalent to AD. Step number 1. Step number 2. Connect D to C. If I connect D to C, this is like this. Step number 3. Because AD is equivalent to AC, angle C is equivalent to angle D. Am I right? AD is equivalent to angle C. Sides opposite to same angles are equal. So angle C is equivalent to angle D. Which triangle it is? In ADC. If this is a theta, this will also be theta. I hope it is clear. This is also theta. Now, step number 4. Over answer. Step number 4. This is angle C. If I call it as alpha, can I say alpha plus theta is greater than theta? Of course, if theta is some value, to that value you are adding alpha. Definitely alpha plus theta is greater than theta. Suppose if I take a triangle ADC. That means this triangle. If I take this triangle ADC, alpha plus theta, opposite is nothing but BD, is greater than, opposite to theta is nothing but BC. I hope it is clear. Which triangle it is? BDC. Side opposite to alpha plus theta is BD. Side opposite to theta is BC. Alpha plus theta is greater than theta. That means BD should be greater than BC. What do you mean by BD? BD is nothing but BA plus AD. I will write it here. BD is greater than BC. BD is nothing but AB plus AD greater than BC. What do you mean by AD? AD value is nothing but AC. That means AB plus AC is greater than BC. What are AB, AC and BC? AB, AC and BC are nothing but the three sides of a triangle. Hence, sum of two sides is greater than the third side of a triangle. Hence, sum of two sides is greater than third side of a triangle. Why sum of two sides should be greater than the third side of a triangle? I am explaining every step for the second time. Take a triangle ABC. Step number 1. Let the vertices be capital A, capital B, capital C. Step number 2, the side opposite to capital A is small a. Side opposite to capital B is small b. Side opposite to capital C is small c. I denoted vertices and I denoted sides. Step number 1 and 2, which is common in every triangle. Step number 3, find out the value of AC. Find out the value of AC. From A, draw a line, right, which we ends at D, which is exactly equivalent to AC. AD is nothing but equivalent to AC. Construct a line AD which is nothing but equivalent to AC. Step number 4, from D, join that line to C. I have joined that line. Now if I join that line, I got a triangle, and the triangle is nothing but BDC. Now, if I take a smaller triangle ADC, in ADC, AD is equivalent to AC. In ADC, AD is equivalent to AC. So, if AD is equivalent to AC, angle C is equivalent to angle D. Angle C is equivalent to angle D. Step number 5. Because in ABC there is an angle alpha for C, total angle of C in the triangle BDC will become alpha plus theta. Alpha plus theta must be greater than theta. Of course, to theta, if you are adding alpha, alpha plus theta is greater than theta. Alpha plus theta is greater than theta. Alpha plus theta opposite is BD. Theta opposite is BC. BD is greater than BC. BD is nothing but a combination of BA and AD. BA plus AD is greater than BC. AD is nothing but AC. AB plus AC is greater than BC. Sum of two sides must be greater than third side for three sides to form a triangle. Sum of two sides must be greater than third side to form a triangle. I hope this concept is clear.
You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free.